So here was the door where you enter and you get into the kitchen. So this is the kitchen there's this nook there with the table. I loved it, and especially this Goethe sculpture, or however you want to call that. So not a lot of light in this room because of course with the tree, but I just loved it. This was the kitchen. It is so spacious, which was really pleasant. And here you have the pantry with everything you could dream of, and it's actually quite spacious. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but yeah, so with here you have this mirror, and the room is actually quite big with of course a washer, the fridge, and then you get into this very long hallway. First here you have the bathroom. The bathroom was extremely nice. Shower is big, like you have space everywhere. You have the cabinets, both of them really spacious. I mean, this was amazing. You get here, you have this fake kind of window that lets the lights come in, and then you have my bedroom, or what was my bedroom. I loved the vibe. I mean, this is amazing. It's really big. I don't know if you can tell, but it was really big. And then I had this huge closet space. Loved this mirror, and just it gives into the inside courtyard. I just love it. It was so nice to live here. And then this was the living room. Once again, I don't know if you can tell how big this is. This is huge. You have plenty of space. And so here you have a very old antique mirror, which is really good for outfit pictures. This lamp, again, I think they found everything vintage in here, and it just like gives this charm to the apartment, which I loved. I loved coming in the morning, opening this wide open and drinking my coffee and reading a book like that. That was amazing. Once again into the inside courtyard, and then honestly books everywhere. More books here. That's because they were moving, but I didn't mind. So you know, this is just wow, amazing. And so giving a last round, that was once again the bedroom, the bathroom, and coming from here, the kitchen.
Please hold for a very important message.